Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. It's pun art time, and today I want to wish you cuties a Fleece Navidad. So let's get started. To draw this cute Christmas lamb, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across, a little bit wider, so say about right here, and draw another circle. So now with my two circles in, they're kind of big enough. So I'm just going to come in here and try my best to make them a draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. But if you're not drawing that big, you can just put one highlight right here and then shade everything else in. It's just with the draw so cute eyes, since I'm drawing big enough, I get to put some color in the eyes. Okay, so one, and then same thing over here. There. So then I have my two eyes in. Let's go above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And then in between the eyes, let's draw this nose. So I'm going to come about right here, just about in the center, give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to go up with a slight angle and round it off, thicken it up a little bit. And same thing here. And just thicken it up a little bit. And then straight line down to about right here. And then we're going to curve up on both sides for the mouth. So one side, cap it off, and same thing here, and cap it off. There. So then from there, let's go ahead and draw the face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye, come out nice and wide again, so say about right here. I'll just give myself a point in here, just approximate. And then from there, I'm just going to draw a really wide bottom of a U. So let's come down and curve. And I'll find my center, so say about right here. I'll just give myself a point since I'm drawing pretty big. Just makes it a little bit easier for me to see where I'm going. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a basic curve down to here. But if you're not drawing that big, you don't need to do that. And once again, just go ahead and connect. There, so just a big, wide, flat curve. Then from there, let's bring this up a tiny bit more. Just kind of past that little curve right there and here. And now that we're pretty even, I'm going to go across with a bunch of curves for the top of the sheep's head. So just go up, and we're going to make it extra floofy. So let's go ahead and just draw a bunch of big curves, some small ones if you like. It's all up to you, but we just want to cover this whole top part with a bunch of curves. Then I'm going to start to draw and make this nice and round and big. So let's go up. So I just want to aim to draw this big ovalish round head right here. So let's go ahead and one more big curve and start to bring it down here, and then keep going, and let's just go ahead and finish it off there. So I just want it nice and tall. Okay, so then now that I have that, let's come back right on this area right here, and we're just going to put in an ear. So we're just going to come out and flop these cute little sheep ears in, and same thing here. There. Okay, starting to look like it, right? Hopefully. Then from there, let's just draw the body, which is just one big poofy ball of fleece. So let's come here. It's just kind of like drawing a big cloud. So I'm going to come about right here and here. So this is where my 2 points are going to be. Let's start over here. I'm just going to go around, nice and big, and we're just going to draw this big ovalish shape. So just keep that in mind as you keep going. So let's keep going. We're going to come down a little bit towards about here. Keep going. right here. Let's bring this in to about there, and then we can go ahead, connect the bottom. And sometimes smaller, sometimes bigger, just to change it up and connect. So just one big ovalish cloud. There. Then from there, before I forget, I'm going to come back in this area and just draw this little poof for a tail. And then for the legs, let's come about right here. So like where the underneath the nose. I'm going to start and just draw these tiny little feet. And connect. And another one right here. So we just want to make sure we're about the same level. And we're just making them tiny, very simplified. There, and then the back one. So skip a little bit of space. And about right here, once again, same thing. And one more. Right there. I'll just go ahead and shade this in black. There, now we have the feet in, right? So that is pretty much it for our drawing of our little lamb or sheep here. And if you like, you can even make it more festive now that we have our sheep in. We can make this more Christmassy. We're going to come, let's say about right here, if you like. That'd be more festive. We just add a big hat right here for Santa's hat. About right there, and then just go down. And right here, we're going to draw a curve and connect. Big poofy ball. There, make it extra festive, right? If you like. Then of course we need to draw in some of these beautiful Christmas lights. So to make it easier, I'm just going to come about here and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a bunch of curves all over the body. So I'm just going to wire these and loop it across, maybe about here, and loop another one. It's all up to you. Have fun with this. Maybe one here, going all the way up, and let's see, one more. Let's put one about right here. Okay, I think we have enough, right? Then from there, let's go ahead and add some lights. I'm just going to make mine really simple. I'm just going to add a bunch of circles wherever I have enough space. So right here, I really hope you've been loving all the pun art I've been doing for you, especially these Christmas ones. And definitely let me know comments below if there's other really cute Christmas puns you would like me to draw to help you draw some Christmas cards perhaps. So we can add, let's see, we're going to add 3 here since we have some space. Let's add 1 here. So as you can see, it's just wherever I have some space, I'm just going to put in these circles. Maybe this one's going on this side. So the more circles we put in, the more colorful we can make this. And let's see here. That's pretty much it, right? I think we have enough for now. And then let's see here. Let's write the pun, which is Fleece Navidad, right? So I'm going to put that here really quickly. I'm just going to go ahead and write F-L-E-E. Make sure I'm going straight. C, another E. Fleece, and then Navidad. So let's see about here. So I'm just writing it out nice and plain first. And then I'll go in there afterwards and spruce it up. Feliz Navidad, and then I'll put an exclamation and then a heart right here. Okay, so now that I have my word written and it's pretty straight, I'm going to come in here and spruce it up. So that is pretty much it. But now I'm looking at it, I'm just gonna, you know what, I'm going to mess this up a little bit more. And I'm gonna put more of these lights. Since I have space. I'm gonna go the other way too. So these are very, oops, that one's a little bit big. That's okay. Now I think I probably muddled it up, but I just wanted to add as much color as I could. Another one here. Maybe another one here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how I dressed up this little sheep here to wish you cuties a Fleece Navidad. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it and I helped you draw this cute little lamb here fun and easy today, please give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.